How's it from Hawaii? Here's my Quonset Hut pad, about 5-6 inches thick. I didn't do the channels like they showed in the picture here. Installed some underground plumbing for a bathroom. What I used was IBC container, 275 gallons with the 2 tubes, one in each end. Cut a hole in the top to fit the pipes in. Cut the holes out. I ended up putting a saw blade on the top so I can metal detect it later, or you could put the flange on going up. Rigid pipe going in, corrugated going out. Septic system works pretty well. In installing the Quonset Hut, I put the first section together. It's too wobbly to pull those panels up in one piece at a time. So that section came up pretty easy, then put the bottom panels on so I didn't dent them. Found out it was a lot easier installing one panel at a time rather than putting one full rib up at a time. It was too wobbly. 2 people could do it. Each, panel worked out a lot better. Ended up turning out pretty good. I got the 2 roll-up doors from rollupdoordirect.com. Poured the concrete around the inside and the outside. Those channels I made for the table, they were the leftovers from the building. Here I put in hot shots, about 5-6 in each panel, 1.5 inch, 22 cal. And then I put a lag down every other one. With the concrete on there, it ain't going anywhere. Poured the finishing pad around the front and outside. Got 76 acres up here in Hawaii, out in the middle of nowhere. So, inside I can show you, I built the bench, put lighting in. And the bench was built from, again, the leftover strengthening bars that L-angle used at the beginning of your project. Everything I did, I didn't add holes. Any holes in the building, I just put nut over nut. So I didn't have to unscrew them. Under here you can see the rib. I just bent them up. Weld, little tack weld on this end right here. Bent a bar, smashed that end in and put a hole in it. And again, just nut over nut, so you don't have to unscrew them. Plenty of threads there, not going anywhere. Same with the electrical, nut over nut. And same with the shelving, nut on top of nut. Just use some chain, some S-hooks. And again, that shelving ain't going anywhere. I put a lot of weight on those. Put an outback system in. So I got power up here, well, solar, security system and lighting, just a LED track, shop lights, 8-footers. And I installed this bathroom here. What I have is a 45-gallon tank on the back side where I have my D6 tractor. I catch the water off that. And then it's just gravity fed into the shower, the sink, and the commode. Works fine, plenty of pressure. No bends or 90s in the hose for better flow. Again, the shelving with the S-hooks and the chain works really well. Cheap and easy, out of the way. It's a Steel Master building and roll-up doors direct. Thanks for watching.